Hi everybody, it's Connie, Vintage House Soap Factory, and this is Holiday Hub number 3. So here we are, and it's snowy. I mean, the last time we chatted, I don't think we had any idea what was ahead of us. So we're in Orchard Park in my house, right? It's the 77 inches, they tell us. And yes, we got all of that for sure. If you're in Orchard Park, you're like, what happened? I mean, this stuff is taller than me. It's crazy. So we've been digging out. The store's been closed. But we are reopening tomorrow until further notice. I believe it's going to be tomorrow. My husband's been cleaning all day, trying to at least get a few spots out. So hopefully we will be open tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. And we're fingers crossed. If not, I'll post on Facebook if we're going to be a delay. But there might be a delay for a couple hours, but I think we'll be opened. Okay, so we did unfortunately have to close Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we missed... some people missed a chance to see our holiday open house, but do not fear, because what's around the corner is going to be Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Sunday, and we're going to also have, of course, Cyber Monday. So let's talk about some deals, and then I have a fun DIY, another little one just for Thanksgiving. So stay with me, okay? Just take a minute. If it's VH Soap, if you can subscribe, I'd be very happy to share our holiday hubs with you, and you can also get notifications if you want to ring that bell. That would be wonderful. I'd appreciate that as well. Okay, so for holiday hub number 3, we're going to go into our doorbusters for Friday. So Friday, this is in our store and online, vintagehousesoap.com. Doorbuster number 1 is, are you ready? Buy 2 body butters and get 1 free. Yes, believe it or not. I mean, that is a big deal for us. We don't ever do that type of a sale. So that is our first doorbuster. And then our second doorbuster is, if you've been in my store or online, you've seen our candles. These are hand dipped coconut candles. A wonderful maker in California makes them for us. They're Aloha Bay. And we're going to do the same way. Same rounds, buy 2, get 1 free. Aloha Bay candles, Friday, doorbuster. Buy 2, get 1 free. Body butters, doorbusters on Friday. This is a Friday only. Okay. For Saturday, our Small Business Saturday, we're going to extend it into Sunday. We're also going to extend it into Monday for Cyber Monday. So 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Monday is online only, vintagehousesoap.com, because the store is closed on Mondays. So Saturday in-store, Sunday in-store, and online, both Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And we are going to do a straight. Ready? 15% off. Total purchase across the board, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. If you come in on Saturday, we have a free gift for you while supplies last. If we still have them, you can get them on Sunday as well. I'm not going to give it away. It's adorable. You're going to love it. But there is a free gift with any $30 purchase on Saturday and Sunday. So come on in to the store. That's in store only for the free gift for Saturday and Sunday. So that is it, guys. That's our great deals. I hope everybody is safe and well. Okay, stay with me. I have a really cool, very inexpensive DIY for something you just have laying around the house. Hi everyone, it's Connie at Vintage House Soap Factory, and we're going to do a quick DIY. And it's for Thanksgiving. It's for a centerpiece, and I'm going to use these couple of pieces of craft paper. And I thought that might be pretty for our vase. I'm going to cut these in half. I'm just going to cut. Okay, I think we have all our pieces. So we just cut these in half. These were 12-inch papers. We cut in half in 6s. We got 2 of these. We still have 1 of these. I cut 1 in half, and I got a couple of trim pieces. So take a look. What do we have? Beef broth from Whitman's. I have this big old can. Okay, so this nice big can, you don't get them too often, so I love to reuse them. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a vase out of it. Literally, just do this very quickly so we can glue it down. You can take the paper off if you want. I'm not, because this is pretty heavy paper. I'm going to put this all the way down to the bottom. Okay, it is all done. Here's my trim piece, and I think it's really quite cute. What does everybody think? It's nothing huge and big, but it is kind of neat that it's just a can. And I needed it wide enough because I want to put a floral arrangement in there that is a dried floral arrangement. And this just came to me because my niece gave me all kinds of dried flowers from her garden for Thanksgiving, so I thought I would make a cool vase. Okay, so here's her little logo, Kalis Farms, and honestly, my niece is a perfectionist, and she just, everything she does beautiful. Look how lovely she has dried these and preserved them. And I love that she's used some of the hemp twine. So, let's see. I'm gonna just trim up just a touch. See how they look in here. Oh, they're gonna be nice, and I'm gonna like differences to difference. Oh, really nice. Well, Elena, if you're watching, thank you again for giving me all these little goodies. Okay, so we have most of them all in. And I gotta tweak it a little bit, but I kind of just stuck them all in there. Okay, so then I have some cool little boards here. Let's get these out. This, oh my gosh, look how cute this one is.
And it's all done. What does everyone think? Thank you for joining us.